I love B-roll. Let me show you how I do it. I love B-roll. I film B-roll. And I love these things. I love putting them in the video. B-roll is great. Instead of sitting there going blah, 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 you can add like B-roll to things. Like if I'm talking about something about a dog, I can add a B-roll to that. Let me show you the two different places where I get my B-roll. And no, this isn't sponsored. They aren't paying me to do this. This is just my personal preference, and I wanted to tell you why I use them and why I don't use others. I recommend Storyblocks for B-roll. They have hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, I don't know how many. They have so much footage here. It's amazing. First you come to the site. Let's just take a look here. There's the thumbnail of what that is. It's beautiful. That's really nice. And this is just random pics. Looks like we're doing snow type stuff. Just any of these. Nice snow thing. Beautiful, beautiful, high quality stuff that you can use in your videos to make a point. I can click on it. I get a larger size that I can see. I can check it out. I can look at the quality of this. It's just beautiful. I would use that. And then below it, they give you other suggestions for what you can use. Let's go back. Now this is the thing that I really like because they have an excellent search. What's new? What's happening? Think about this. If I had to pay someone or pay a group of people to come and shoot the scenes that I need 4 or 5 or 10 or 20 scenes in a video, it would cost me so much money. It would be tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars to have all these people in and set it up and shoot this stuff. You just can't financially do that unless you're a gazillion dollar studio. So let's pick something. Let's say I want some B-roll of, let's do cats. We'll do cats. I'm doing some cats and I'm talking about cats. Let's go find some B-roll about cats. There we go. There's some B-roll about cats. Slow motion type video. Oh, cute. Oh, little kitties. Look at those cute little suckers. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that's really cute. So maybe I'm talking about kitties, or I'm talking about raising kitties, or maybe I'm doing a cat channel or something like that. Now, if you decide you want this, you come over here and you can either download. I usually download MP4. It's smaller. I don't need the high resolution. But look at this. If I were to download the movie file, hello, oh my gosh, it's huge. I don't need that type of thing. But if you needed that, you could get it. Then they have suggestions, and there are all these more little kitties and stuff like that that you can go check out. Let's go back again, check something else out. So the search is great. I use this on almost every single one of my videos. If I'm talking about something, talking about B-roll, or let's talk about filming. Let's check out some filming. Look at this. We've got people filming here. Got a dude doing some type of thing. Got a camera here. Is that filming some stuff? Oh yeah. Like if you were talking about preparing stuff, you could use that camera. We could do that. Here we got it in a studio, talking about a studio thing. We're talking about doing some type of podcast or something like that. Oh, this is really cool. You got on a large set, what they're doing. There's so much of this stuff. You could just go on and on and on forever. Like here you could use this girl and she's talking about whatever. If you're doing a video about some girl talking, the thing is you don't have to pay her. She's paid for. She's paid for. I'm sorry, women, that sounded bad. But you could use all of it. You could use every one of these in your video and it doesn't cost you anything. It just costs you that one-time yearly fee, which I'll show you, which is ridiculously small. Isn't that cool? Let's do one more search. Let's say we search for stuffy nose. I have a bit of a stuffy nose right now. There you go. Let's see stuffy nose. Oh, look at this. You're talking about taking care of yourself and using Kleenex and stuff like that. You have so much stuff that you could use in here. Look at all this. You know how much it would cost you to shoot all this stuff and get this B-roll? Or shoot yourself with all this B-roll? Oh man, it would forever. And it isn't all this goopy stuff. It's the good stuff too. Let's do a happy girl. Happy girl. Let's do happy girl. Whoop, happy girl. There we go. Get happy girls. So you're talking about something and, oh, she was so excited. This person, when they're excited, it's really nice. And, oh, those kids were really cool. Oh, by the way, try hiring some kids. See how much that cost you. These are very cool. Let's keep scrolling down. Like there's so many of these. There's this happy, joy. So that's why you would use something like Storyblocks to grab all your B-roll. And it's not expensive. Oh, I also wanted to show a music thing. Let's say we're doing a guitar stuff. Check this out. Ooh, doing that. Yeah, we can do this. Stringing stuff. Got dude rocking out. Oh, check this one out. Oh, yeah. Really hitting it. Isn't that cool? I would totally use this stuff. So you go to my account, you come down here. I spend $199 a year annually, and I download hundreds and hundreds. Tell me how you're going to get hundreds and hundreds of shots for $199. It's just not going to happen. Plus, well, I could go search the net. Good luck on trying to find 1, free stuff, 2, stuff that you can download, 3, that you go tagged because you're using it illegally. Good freaking luck. Those are my recommendations. That's what I use. You can use whatever you want. But I thought that would help. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, and when you're playing music, you need to dance, don't you? There's a story behind that. What happens is people always try and get me to dance. Like, I'm a musician and I play things, I play bass and drums and everything else. I can't dance at all. And people try and always get me to dance. Why don't you dance with your wife? Why don't you dance? What happens is when I start dancing, I've had people actually tell me if I would please stop dancing because I'm embarrassing the human race.